In today's video, we're going to be talking about door switch actuators. So to remove your lid switch actuator, it's just a matter of raising the lid. On this one, it's located in this corner. On another machine, it may be over to the side, in the front, or halfway along. Wherever your lid switch is located, you will find this on your lid in some position. This one's just held with 2 screws. Some are just pushed in, and the plastic pin just has fingers that expand and lock in. But this is the typical, and for today's version it actually uses the T10 Torx screws. So we just put our screwdriver in, with both screws removed, it's just a matter of sliding it out of place. And that's how easy it is to remove your actuator.